Hello, whoever's watching. This is part 2 of my milling machine vise that I'm stripping down. I stripped this part. I got to clean up this. I also have, this is heavy, this portion to clean off, and I'm going to try to clean this off, this little piece here, and I'm also going to clean the edges I missed over here. It's probably going to get loud. I just made a little video because I took the liquid out of my compressor, which I finally got the little screw on the bottom to empty, and oh my god, what a mess. I think there's still liquid in my ring here, but I'm using one of these because it's easier to get in the little corners here. This one's a little bit worn out, but it still has a little bit of juice left in it, so I'm going to use this one. I usually use them until they completely fall apart or they start flying out when I just get them all stuck in my arm. Then it's time to stop using it and put a new one in. I do have a new one. This little gadget here is a Chicago pneumatic. I don't know if you can see it. I can't see it. I buy them. They're about 50 bucks. I don't like buying cheap air tools because I find they are just that cheap. I picked the manufacturer. I like the little logo. They make good quality tools, and most of the entry-level tools are not that expensive. So, yeah, they're all good. I'm gonna, what do you call it? Put some oil in this thing, and then I'm going to, what do you call it, start grinding that thing. So, I don't have an automatic oiler on my air compressor. I have this. I put a couple of drops of oil in there. I let the oil go in there, and that's how I put oil in my air tools. Anytime you use one of these things, make sure you use gloves, safety glasses, and what do you call it? Face shield. Face shield is definitely. I'm also using the face respirator. So if you don't hear me, well, you don't hear me. Plus, when my compressor goes on, you can hear me anyway. So enjoy the video. Gotta put my glasses on, put my face shield on. I should be wearing sleeves because I don't know how many times I've pulled these out of my arm, but you know, shit happens. I'm gonna clean off this right here. If you don't hear me, it's my compressor. I can feel it flying out already. I don't know how to clean this. Pretty good. That's good. Well, I don't know if you can hear me with the air compressor going, but so far, this is what I got. Let me just put my glasses on. This, stripped with a wire brush, don't look too bad. Got a huge chunk digging out here. Maybe I'll hit it with a welder and file it off. I don't know if I want to clean this really well, because I want to use it. I cleaned out some of the crud inside the threads. Not perfect. I could have like used a hand wire brush, but hold on.